Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the DJI Motion Controller. Designed purely for use with DJI's FPV drone, this controller takes your immersive flight experience to a whole nother level by allowing you to control and maneuver your drone with just your natural hand motions. Sounds a little bit like magic to me and I'm really excited to give it a go. First impressions of this controller? Well, it's a good size and shape, it fits really nicely in the hand and it's not too heavy. All of the important buttons, well, all of the buttons are in a really easy to reach place as well. So how about we take a closer look? We have our power button just on the side. So if you tap it once, you can check your battery level and press and hold to power on or off your controller. On the front, we've got the trigger accelerator. When you push this, you'll start moving your aircraft forward. And if you want to go faster, then press it harder. On the front, you'll find there's a selection of 3 buttons. The red one is your lock button. This is what you'll be pressing to take off or land. The big button is your brake. Luckily, DJI do actually have all of these controls labeled, so you're not going to forget. Then we have your mode button, which will switch you between modes. On the side, you've got your gimbal tilt lever and the camera shutter start stop record button. By pushing and holding this button, you'll be able to switch between photo and video mode. If you'd like to find out any more information on the DJI Motion Controller, then head on over to jessops.com now, or you can click on the link that's in our description. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.